Think Iceland, and you probably picture this. The Blue Lagoon is undeniably beautiful, a turquoise haven in a volcanic landscape. But what if I told you that Iceland hides secrets even more breathtaking, places where the very soul of the island feels untouched? Stick around, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover 5 hidden gems of Iceland, places that will change how you see this island forever. Our journey begins far from the well-trodden path, in the heart of Iceland's highlands. Here, amidst a rugged expanse of volcanic wilderness, lies Kerlingarfjöll, a geothermal wonderland unlike any other. Picture this: snow-capped peaks piercing the clouds, their slopes painted in hues of rust and ochre, evidence of the Earth's fiery breath. Steam rises from the ground, hissing and swirling, a constant reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. Glaciers cling to the highest peaks, their icy tongues reaching down towards the steaming valleys below. Boiling hot springs bubble and gurgle, their turquoise waters a stark contrast to the red and black earth. It's a landscape that feels almost alien, as if plucked from the pages of a science fiction novel. Resilient mosses and lichens cling to the rocks, painting the landscape in shades of emerald green. Herds of hardy Icelandic horses roam the valleys, their thick coats protecting them from the elements. To hike through Kerlingarfjöll is to walk through a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. The air itself is alive with energy, charged with the scent of sulfur and the sound of the wind whistling through the canyons. This is Kerlingarfjöll, a place where fire meets ice, and where the raw power of nature is on full display. Our next destination takes us from the fiery heart of Iceland to a place where water has sculpted the land into a masterpiece. Hidden away in East Iceland, the Stuðlagil Canyon is a relatively recent discovery. Its beauty revealed only after a controversial damming project diverted the flow of the Jökulsá River. What awaits visitors to Stuðlagil is nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a canyon carved through towering basalt columns, each one a perfect hexagon, stacked upon another like the pipes of a giant organ. The river, now a shimmering turquoise ribbon, winds its way through this geological marvel, its waters reflecting the azure sky above. The basalt columns, formed by the slow cooling of lava millions of years ago, rise up on either side of the canyon, some reaching heights of over 60 feet. The patterns they create are mesmerizing, a testament to the incredible forces that have shaped this island nation. Walk along the canyon rim and gaze down at the river below, and you'll feel a sense of awe and wonder. The air is filled with the sound of rushing water, the only constant in this ever-changing landscape. Sunlight dances on the surface of the river, creating a kaleidoscope of colors that shift and change with the passing clouds. The canyon's unique beauty has captured the imagination of travelers and photographers alike, drawn to its dramatic formations and otherworldly atmosphere. This is Stuðlagil Canyon, a sanctuary of peace and natural splendor. Chapter 3: Hraunfossar, where water dances from stone. Our journey through Iceland's hidden gems now takes us to a place where the line between myth and reality blurs. Hraunfossar, a series of waterfalls cascading from beneath a lava field, is a sight that defies explanation at first glance. How can water, seemingly out of nowhere, flow from solid rock? Located in West Iceland, Hraunfossar is a testament to the unseen forces that shape this island nation. Beneath the lava field, hidden from view, lies a vast network of underground springs and rivers. These subterranean waterways, fed by melting glaciers and rainfall, eventually find their way to the surface, emerging as a series of delicate waterfalls that tumble into the Fita River below. Imagine standing on the banks of the Fita, the roar of the river filling your ears as you gaze upon a seemingly endless series of waterfalls, their crystal-clear waters cascading over moss-covered rocks. The water, filtered through miles of porous lava rock, is incredibly pure, some of the cleanest water on Earth. Hraunfossar is a place of tranquility and serenity. The sound of the waterfalls is hypnotic, a soothing melody that invites contemplation and reflection. This is a place where you can truly connect with the spirit of Iceland, a place where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Chapter 4: Borgarfjörður, Eystri, where mountains whisper and puffins play. Our journey now takes us to the eastern edge of Iceland, to a remote fjord where time seems to stand still. Borgarfjörður, Eystri, a small village nestled between towering mountains and the vast expanse of the North Atlantic, is a place where you can truly escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. Imagine a place where the mountains seem to whisper ancient secrets to the wind, their slopes carpeted in emerald green moss and dotted with cascading waterfalls. The air is clean and crisp, carrying with it the scent of the sea and the sound of birdsong. Borgarfjörður Eystri is a haven for wildlife. Puffins, those comical birds with their colorful beaks and waddling gaits, nest on the cliffs surrounding the village. Seals bask in the sun on offshore islands, and whales can often be spotted breaching in the distance. The village itself is small and charming, with its brightly colored houses and friendly locals. Borgarfjörður Eystri is a place where mountains whisper, puffins play, and the northern lights dance across the sky. Chapter 5. Vestrahorn, where darkness meets light. Our final destination on this journey through Iceland's hidden gems takes us to the southeastern coast, to a place where the forces of nature collide in a dramatic display of raw power and breathtaking beauty. Vestrahorn, a jagged mountain rising abruptly from a black sand beach, is a sight that will leave you speechless. Imagine a place where the land meets the sea in a clash of titans. Waves crash against the black sand beach, their white foam a stark contrast to the dark volcanic rock. The sky above is a swirling canvas of grays and blues, constantly changing with the mood of the wind. Vestrahorn itself is a photographer's dream. Its jagged peaks, sculpted by centuries of wind and rain, rise up like the teeth of a dragon, casting long shadows across the surrounding landscape. The mountain slopes are a tapestry of textures and colors, from the smooth black sand at its base to the green moss and lichen that cling to its upper reaches. Vestrahorn is a reminder that there are still places on this planet where you can escape the crowds, where you can reconnect with the natural world, and where you can witness the raw power and beauty of nature at its finest. So next time you dream of Iceland, go beyond the Blue Lagoon. Venture off the beaten path and discover the hidden gems that lie waiting to be explored. Because the real Iceland? It's hiding in places few ever see. Places like Kerlingarfjöll, Stuðlagil, Hraunfossar, Borgarfjörður, Eystri, and Vestrahorn. These are just a few of the many wonders that await those who dare to venture beyond the ordinary. Which of these gems will you explore first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this journey with fellow explorers. More hidden wonders await.